Alright, so today we're going to replace this outlet right here with a GFCI, a ground fault circuit interrupter, and we're going to do this with a screwdriver, the ground fault circuit interrupter, transmitter, and a faceplate to replace this one right here. And first we're going to turn off the power here, and we're going to do that by plugging in this transmitter, and this shows that there's still power. And then we're going to go over to the circuit breaker with this one. Okay, so I've got my panel right here, and I'm going to find the circuit that I have my outlet on by using the other receiver thing to see which one of these is beeping, and it will let me know which one I should turn off. And you could do this with a radio, and you could turn off all of the switches until you heard it stop, but this is much easier. So I'm going to do it now. Alright, so you can see that we have no more power because the light is off and the beeping stopped. And luckily we still have light in this room, but if the light source you have is connected to this circuit, then you would want a lantern or something to help you see. Alright, so I'm going to take off this panel. Open this up, you see that there are actually two cables coming in here. And so when you're installing a GFCI, it's very important to know which one is the power and which one is the load, as they say. And right here, it's actually labeled, you want the power to come in through here and the load to come in through here. So to find out which is which, we're going to remove one of these wires. And these ones are different from the ones that we were using in class. To remove a wire, you stick a small screwdriver in there to release the clamp. It has one of the wires. How the heck do you do this? Okay, I couldn't find a screwdriver that was small enough for this, so I'm going to use a thin piece of metal to pop this right here so that the wire can come out. I'm going to disconnect this one too. Alright, and I'm going to plug this in, and we're going to restore power and see if it turns on. I'm going to cap the wire, the hot wire here, so that it's safe before we restore power, because we don't want to die. Okay. So now we see that the power is coming in through these two wires right here. So those are the wires that we're going to plug in to the bottom of our GFCI right here. And then we'll take these wires and we'll put them in right here. And the ground will go on the green screw. I'm going to stick the wires in here. Oh, and actually, you're going to use the screws on this one so that they stay in there. Okay, and I'll put this white one in here, and then this white one in here, this black one in there, and then stick the ground on there. Alright, so I attached all the wires, and then I put it into its little hole, and now I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to turn on the circuit and see if it turns on. As you can see, it didn't turn on, but that's okay. I just pressed the little reset button right here, and it turns on. And then I can press the test button and it will turn off. So then I'll turn off the power again so that I can safely screw this back in. I'll put the plate on, and I'll have a GFCI ready to go.